Hello everyone, and how is it going? Chris here during trade, bringing you 4 more key levels of my very own to share with you. These are 4 areas that I've got marked off on my charts on the NQ that I'll be monitoring as we go forward in trading. Let's start off 2 lines down today and talk about 15430. This is an area in the market that we recently had a lot of action magnetized to this area, kind of bouncing back and forth over it, but most recently we fell below it and back tested it as resistance. I don't expect there to be a lot of trouble around this location, but enough has happened that I want to keep my eye on it. If we do go above it, my eyes have 5570 marked off, because if this is an area regained to support, that could be very good news for the bulls. Now down below where price is trading, we have 15090. It's a lower area of support that if lost, my eyes drop us all the way down to 14850. It's a lower area of support that has not been tested since support was shown quite a while ago. Good luck, happy trading, and I'll see you all very soon.